Guys, usapang budget phone tayo today. And here on my table are phones na sub 5,000 pesos. And I know palapit ang Pasko, lumabas na yung 13-month pay. And I know medyo binabudget din natin ang ating expenses for our 13-month pay. And gusto ko i-share sa inyo dito sa tatlong phone na ito kung sino ang probably pinaka-okay na gastusin ang iyong 5,000 pesos this coming Christmas. Samahan niyo ako. So hi guys, ako si Richmond, the Gadget Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. I have three phones dito. Vivo Y01, and the price of this phone is 5,299. Si Itel Vison 5, it has a price point of 3,799. And itong si Realme na C30s, it also has a price point of 4,999. So, nasa 5,000 pesos plus minus. So, medyo magandang comparison itong tatlong phone na ito, no? So, right now, pakita ko sa inyo yung quick unboxing ko. Ano mga naman nitong mga phone na ito? So, itabi ko muna yung dalawa. So, focus muna tayo kay Vivo Y01. Inside the phone, we have manuals and warranty cards, jelly case, the phone itself. Balatan lang natin. Yan. Okay. So, ganito itsura niya. Ganito naman itsura niya pag may case. Micro USB charging cable, SIM ejector tool, and of course, a 10 watts charger. Itel Vison 5 naman tayo. So, kita natin the box is red. Okay ito mga specs niya. 18 watts na fast charger. SIM ejector tool, free screen protector, and warranty card. Hard case, guys. Hindi siya jelly case. Vision 5. Balata natin. Looks good. Ganito itsura niya pag may hard case. Way better than sa jelly case. Micro USB cable and ang kanyang headset. 18 watts na fast charger. Probably the only one na may ganong fast charging sa kanyang price segment. And lastly, si C30s ni Realme. I-check natin. Information guide and quick start guide. Kasi wala siyang free na jelly case. Balatan natin. Looks good din Not bad. Micro USB cable and ang kanyang 10 watts charger. In terms of unboxing experience and yung mga freebies na laman and accessories, lamang na lamang si Itel Vison 5. So, meron siyang hard case, meron siyang free na headset, and meron siyang 18 watts na fast charging brick na wala nitong dalawa. So, kita natin sa ilalim quickly, halos pareho siya. May loudspeaker, micro USB port, ang kanyang microphone in, and of course, may audio jack sila pare-pareho. Then, sa side, si Realme at si Itel, may SIM tray, and si Vivo, wala. Sa ibabaw, makita natin ang dyan ang SIM tray ni Vivo. On the side, nakita natin may side fingerprint scanner, si Realme. Ito dalawa, just power button, and of course, volume rocker ang meron nila. So, kita natin pagdating sa camera, si Itel may tatlong mata. Itong dalawa, both has only one single lens. While si Itel, meron pa siyang rear fingerprint scanner. Vivo, wala ka makita sa side and sa rear, yet siyang pinakamahal sa kanilang tatlo. So, buksan ko lang mga SIM tray para makita natin. Triple card slot para kay Realme C30s. Triple card slot din kay Itel Vison 5. Triple card slot din kay Vivo Y01. So, pare-pareho naman silang triple card slot ang sinusupport, dalawang nano SIM, and isang micro SD expansion. So, pagdating naman sa RAM and storage, lahat sila 32GB. And itong dalawa, si Vivo at si Realme, they have 2GB of memory. Si Itel, meron siyang 3GB of memory. So, lamang siya ng 1GB. And sometimes yung 1GB niyan goes a long way, lalo na when you're multitasking, opening apps. More RAM means better ang speed. Now guys, kita na natin ang screen. Lahat sila parehong teardrop notch. And of course, don't expect na may punch hole dito dahil it's really a budget phone na pinag-uusapan natin right now. And ilalagay lang natin sila lahat sa maximum brightness para makita natin kung sino pinaka-okay na display based sa aking mata. So, si brightness level, isagad lang natin. Isagad natin to. And si Realme, isasagad natin. So, based on what I can see here, ang pinakamatingkad dito sa lahat goes to Itel Vison 5. And for me, siya ang pinakamaputi na screen dito among the three. Dito medyo mas yellowish pa sila konti, but ito talagang puting-puti ang display niya. And ito ang kanyang mga respective na home screen. So, kanya-kanyang design, okay naman sa akin. For me, okay naman kanyang mga wallpaper. So, right now, gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo kung sino pinakamabilis mag-boot up dito sa tatlong phone na ito. So, right now, we'll be booting it down, lahat. Then, ibuboot up natin almost at the same time. Titingnan na natin kung sinong pinakamabilis mag-boot up sa kanila lahat. Okay. So, right now, powering off. Yan, so lahat yan, naka-off state na. So I'll try my best to be equal. So pipindutin ko lang. Almost sabay lang sila. Almost lang. Kasi dalawa lang naman kamay natin. No? So in 3, 2, 1. Yan. So, let's just give Realme the leeway of mga 3 seconds delay. Tingnan natin kung sino mag-boot up na mabilis. No? And by the way, guys, si Vivo na Y01, it has a MediaTek na Helio P35. Si Itel naman, meron siyang Unisoc na processor and it's a SC98638. While si Realme naman dito, meron siyang Unisoc Tiger na T612. So kita natin, more or less, nag-boot up si Vivo slightly faster. And of course, nahuli lang to ng konti, no? But of course, not that low. So probably pagdating sa boot up, pinakamabilis si Vivo by maybe 1 to 2 seconds over dito kay Itel. But ito, parang medyo matagal, no? Kasi ang delay lang natin kanina is roughly 2 to 4 seconds. But ito, more than 4 seconds ang inabot niya. So, yeah, probably pagdating sa boot up, si Realme medyo mas slower slightly. So, since binanggit ko na sa inyo ang kanya-kanilang mga processor, buksan natin si Untitled Benchmark. Yeah, so kita natin na medyo slower a bit kay Itel pagdating sa boot up, no? But in terms of scoring, si Vivo might take the cake dito dahil sa kanyang score, which is slightly better than the others. Okay? Si Itel pumapangalawa and last si Realme. So, guys, itong benchmark na to ginawa ko while fresh state itong mga phone na ito. So, lahat sila on equal footing after ng setup, diretsong Antutu benchmark na. Pagdating naman sa 3D Mark, si Vivo Y01, hindi niya kaya mag-slingshot extreme. Sinasabi ng phone is hindi kinayanan ng processor. So, I'm not quite sure why. So, itong dalawa. So, at par, halos score nila 446 saka 447. So, tinry natin ng slingshot extreme dito sa Vivo Y01. Sorry, your device is not compatible with this test. Basically, ang 3D Mark test na ginawa natin is more parang may gauge lang tayo kung kakayanin ba niya mag-gaming at the entry level or hindi. So, pagdating kay Vivo Y01, well, alam natin na mahihirapan to. Sometimes nakapagtaka itong mga benchmark na ito, no? Sinabi ni 3D Mark na nahirapan siya pagdating sa benchmarking. Pero pagdating naman sa Antutu and Geekbench, siya ang pinakamataas. Kita naman natin ang score. Itong dalawa halos at par. So guys, niran naman natin ang throttling test. So makita natin, no, si Vivo at si Realme medyo nag-yellow konti kahit papaano. Pero si Itel, no, siya pinaka-consistent dito sa tatlong phone na ito. Having all green pagdating sa throttling test. So meaning, this phone is performing good. Na itong tatlong phone na ito has 5,000 mAh of battery. And si Realme at si Vivo both has 10 watts of fast charging support. While ito si Itel has 18 watts of fast charging. So, tinry ko naman i-charge sila from 10 to 100. Itong dalawa, nagtapos in near 3 hours. And ito, nagtapos siya in 2 hours and 10 minutes. So, it's a far cry. Lamang na lamang talaga siya pagdating sa charging time. Now, I'm quite surprised to say na si Vivo Y01 has the longest na battery life endurance screen on time based dito kay PC Mark test. Then, pumapangalawa si Realme with 11 hours and si Itel ang kulelat na may 10 hours and 9 minutes. Now, this is just a benchmark, but overall, on daily usage, kaya naman nito mga phones na ito magtagal ng 1 day or, well, a little bit more than 1 day pa nga on normal usage. Kaya naman nila lahat. Now, pagdating naman sa security, lahat sila, meron naman silang face unlock. Si Realme, meron siyang side fingerprint scanner, and si Itel, meron siyang rear fingerprint scanner. But of course, I'll prefer having ito, ang side fingerprint scanner. So, lahat ng device nito is running on Android Go. So, lahat yan light version, except that ang pinagkaiba nila si Vivo Y01 is running on Android 11 and this too is running on Android 12. Kapag-usapan natin right now kanilang mga display. Si Vivo Y01 meron sa 6.51-inch na IPS LCD, can display up to 720p na resolution. Then si Itel naman dito, it has a 6.6-inch na HD+. So meaning this one can display up to 1080p na display. And si Realme naman, it also has a 6.5-inch na IPS LCD, can display also up to 720p. So pagdating sa display, I think this one is displaying it better and mas matingkad ang ganang color. Like I said a while ago, mas maputi siya compared dito sa dalawa. And watching several videos on YouTube, I can say na definitely mas enjoyable manood ng video dito sa Itel dahil sa kanyang HD plus ang kanyang support, and well, it shows. And tinry ko naman kanyang mga loudspeaker, I can say hindi naman sila nagkakalayo. Halos pareho lang naman ang sounds coming out from yung mga loudspeaker nila. But of course, if you want some better sounds and more immersive experience, you might want to try some TWS of your choice. So browsing on social media like Facebook, TikTok, and of course Instagram, pati Twitter, halos pareho naman sila. Wala naman masyadong pinagkaiba kasi pare-pareho naman silang 60 Hz off-screen refresh rate. Scrolling experience, well, it's almost the same. Hindi naman sila nagkakalayo. So guys, pagdating naman sa gaming, I can say na halos pareho lang naman, hindi sila nagkakalayo dahil sobrang entry level lang naman itong mga phones na ito. And pagdating sa gaming, well, I would say na kailangan mo sobrang babaan ng kanyang graphical settings para medyo mas smoother experience. Pero mafe-feel mo talaga may mga frame drops and lags along the way dito sa tatlong phone na ito na nilaro ko. And lahat ng settings na kaya nila is pare-pareho. Low ang kanyang graphics quality and medium frame rates. Pareho silang tatlo. Tinest natin siya sa Call of Duty Mobile. Now, we're down to the camera division. I know na probably that's one of the more exciting part na gusto natin pag-usapan dito. And halos lahat sila pare-pareho na merong 8MP na rear camera. Si Vivo having a 8MP na rear camera with a 1 LED flash. Si Itel naman meron sa 8MP na main camera and mga QVGA na camera. Si Realme naman on the other hand has one 8MP na rear camera. And lahat ng kanilang mga front camera is 5MP. Checking lahat ng camera na ito, they can all record up to 1080p and 30fps. Pagdating naman sa outdoor shot, I can say na all of them, well, can shoot equally nice photos, but pagdating naman sa ganda ng reproduction ng colors and details, I should give it to kay Realme dahil sa kanyang color reproduction and yung details niya na pre-preserve niya. Pagdating naman sa indoor shot, I can see na medyo mas saturated konti dito kay Realme. But overall na mas yung natural na colors, I can say it came from Itel. And si Vivo is a little bit saturated as well. Pagdating naman sa front camera, when you're shooting in outdoors, I can see na, what I can say dito is kay Itel has the most detail compared dito sa dalawa. And probably, yung alam medyo mas malapit ang kanyang camera when I took this shot. Well, hindi naman sila nagkakalayo sa isa't isa, but para mas presentable lang din ng konti yung kay Itel. Pagdating naman sa indoor selfie shot, I can say, I think si Itel pa rin is a little bit better than both of them. Quickly, tingnan na natin ang video from the front camera. Well, if tinignan ko naman ang mga video dito, I think kay Realme yung para mas okay. And checking yung mga video from the rear camera, I can say na parang okay rin naman yung kay Vivo, pero medyo mas saturated siya. But overall, pagdating sa more natural, I can say kay Itel Vison pa rin. Now, one trivia dito sa inyo guys, ang likod nila is halos pareho ang kanilang design. I'm not quite sure why, who copied from who, pero tingnan mo to, medyo parang rib type siya. Pareho din dito. And pareho lang din dito. Of course, at the end of this video, kaisa-isang tanong lang sa akin dito. Sino ang pinaka-okay sa kanya tatlo? Now, si Vivo has a pretty nice and decent battery life. Samantala, si Realme C30s has a good camera. Overall, I can say na kailangan ko bigay kay Itel Vison 5 for having the best display, for having the best package, for having the biggest screen, and of course, 1080p. And then, of course, meron siyang fast charging up to 18 watts. And of course, don't forget na siya lang ang 3 gigs of RAM dito sa tatlo. And of course, siya yung pinakamura, 3,799 as opposed dito sa dalawa, 4,999. And this one is 5,299. Alam naman natin lagi, si Vivo is always overpriced. And balita ko guys, si Itel Vison 5 would be on sale this 12/12. Ang price niya would be dropping by 200 pesos from 3,799. 3,599 mo lang makukuha tong phone na ito. And of course, there's another variant, well, pretty much cheaper than dito sa dalawa pa rin, 4,099 ang kanyang 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage, would have also a slash of price at 3,899 sa 1212. Kung gusto nyo malaman kung saan pwede mabili mga device na ito, I'll be linking on the description box below. And I hope nakatulong ako sa inyo sa pagpili this coming 1212 or probably kung saan nyo pwede gastusin ang iyong 13-month bonus. And if you like this video, don't forget i-share na rin sa inyo mga friends para may idea rin sila kung anong bibili nila this Christmas. So ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?